Poor sleep also destabilizes your heart's rhythm. Sleep apnea, a condition where breathing repeatedly stops and starts during the night, is one of the most dangerous examples. Each time your airway collapses during sleep, oxygen levels drop and your body responds with a surge of adrenaline. Over time, that constant stress increases your risk of atrial fibrillation, hypertension, heart failure, and even sudden cardiac death. If you've been told that you snore loudly, or if you wake up every morning feeling exhausted, as if you've never slept at all, I strongly advise you to do a sleep study. This test can diagnose sleep apnea and help guide treatment. In many cases, using a CPAP or BiPAP device temporarily can make a dramatic difference, giving your body the oxygen and rest it needs until the root cause is corrected, whether that's weight loss or addressing an airway problem with an ENT specialist. Moreover, if you suffer from atrial fibrillation, a sleep study is strongly recommended. Poor sleep quality, especially sleep apnea, is a well-known driver and trigger of AF episodes.